Town versus Otso Marino, seniors category, Tigbawan Mills Cup, by fourth quarter.
Short, rebound sa Newtown, nakuha ni 25, one across, 2 points by jersey number 4, nice pass by jersey number 35. Number 10 to 31 of Otso Marino. 31, setting a play. 31, na drive, nice pass, that big, that dalagan. Dora, nice, Dora. Bravo.
Score 60-83 in favor of Otso Marino. Ano? Shout out to everyone, like and share. This is Passion Dream Live.
Back to the ball game.
Fourth quarter, remaining time, 7 minutes.
Jersey number 4 of Newtown dribbling the ball. Jersey number 4, the veteran face. Pero na different side sa Otso Marino. Na-rebound ni jersey 31 of Otso Marino. 23 to the last Sangkula. 23 to the playmaker. 24. Jersey number 24 to 23. Lumilang ito nga. Hats of fun. No good. Rebound sa jersey number 35 of Newtown. 35. Pasa kay Juan. There's a mistake. 31 foul. Hitting on the head. Ang of shooting. Time out. Second personal foul. First team foul. Timeout, Otso Marino. 6 minutes and 58 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. Score 60-83. Abanse ang Otso Marino. Isa na lang ang timeout sa Otso Marino. Two free throw para kay jersey number 1. Basket.
Like and share mga kapasyon. This is Passion Dream Live. Na-late ako kay na-content ako sa coffee break. Walang masarap.
Mula karon,
tabang pagkain doon.
Jersey number 31, Tulog Dai.
Sa abangan sa next content ko guys.
6 to 31. 5 to shoot. Shot clock violation. Good defense para sa team Newtown. Number 4, illegal screening, jersey number 15, moving screen, offensive foul. First personal foul. Total line, jersey number 6, 16 to shoot. Pinasa kay 24 rather. 24, pasa kay Newtown, nag-dribble. Too strong. Rebound niya po ni 24. Pass. Igong niya po ng ring. Tumblira 23, 2 points. Jersey number 23. 35, kadalasang tulad. 35, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay 4. Tumira sa 3. Too short. Rebound ni 24. 24, dribbling the ball. Sorry, 31. To drive na po yan. To 23. 2 points. Jersey number 23. Number 4, kadalasang kulang, ginatag niya 35, tumira sa 3, short, rebound by 15, strong, rebound again 1, 2 points, jersey number 1. 24 kadalasang bola, pinasa kay 31. 31 karon, dribbling the ball, 15 to shoot. Tugday, pass pa sa likod. What a pass, what a point, what a pass. What a pass, 2 points. 31, dribbling the ball. To 23. To 31 again. To 24. 24, kadalasang bola, nag-penetrate, nabuyan, na-depensahan ni Juan of Utah. Utah, pasa kay 4, at self-display, pero walang contribute, diretso si 35, 2 points. Hoy, na-depensahan agad ni Utah, 1, at self-display again, 2 points.
4 minutes, 8 seconds.
4 minutes and 5 seconds na lang nabilin. 69-89 ang score. Abansin sa gyapon ang Otso Marino. 31 at tumira sa 3 points. Jersey number 31. Timeout. Utah. 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. 69-92 in favor sa team Otso Marino. Back to the ballgame. Mula sa Newtown.
Ano ba si Panara?
Ano? Isa kandang. Two points.
3 minutes and 7.
What a pass! 2 points by jersey number 1. Nice pass by jersey number 4. 31 kadalasang bola, Otso Marino. 31. Binalik sa Sagwa. 24 for 3. Short. Rebound by Tugday Domerenzo. 2 points. There's a whistle. 23 foul. Mula sa Newtown. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 1 of Otso Marino. Number 1 dribbling the ball. What a pass! Pero wala na contribute. Rebound man sa gyapon ng 14. Pasa Sagwa, pasa kay 02. Nag-fake, nag-dribble, hinatag sentro to 16. 2 points.
2 minutes, 14 seconds in the last quarter.
Kuha nga pa na mula sa Otso Marino. Otso Marino number 16 ka dribble the ball. Pinasa ka 02. Tumira sa Grace. Rebound by Utah. Number 15 to the veteran number 4. No good. Rebound sa Otso Marino 02 to 1. Tumira sa Grace. Rebound ka po Utah Marino. 2 points. Jersey number 16. Newtown ball. Tomira sa tres. 3 points. Jersey number 55. Jersey number 1, dribbling the ball. To 16. Tomira sa tres. No good. Rebound. Ni jersey number 1 of Otso Marino again. Back to 0-2. Pinas Centro. Teardrops. 2 points.
1 minute 4 seconds.
Foul number 1. Substitution. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Ciao John, tamon shout out. Like and share mga kapasyon.
Number 4 to 55. 55. Tomira sa tres. 2 strong. Hail Mary pass. 1, 2.
51 seconds.
Number 4. Number 4. Tomira sa tres. 3 points.
40
Number 1 again.
seconds.
To 25. Strong. Pinasa Saupod. Saupod sa Iringnan. Bang! To 14. To 25. To 4. Again. Nice one. Nice one.
7 seconds.
Bang.
That's the end of the last quarter. Winner,
Shake hands.
Otso Marino.
Tama ka namin ang pang. End of the game. 81-104 score. Avance. Otso Marino.
Thanks for watching. Congratulations Otso Marino.